feel?
I'm in so much pain.
Damn, that's a deep hole.
There goes the shovel too.
Okay. The 30-footer will do it. Hopefully he's got enough rope.
Oh, we definitely do.
Okay. It's just gonna be a. It's gonna be a fucking bitch. Worst case scenario, we got to bring his truck back in.
That's what.
Justin's.
Yeah, I think he's gonna back up his truck.
And then we could.
Yep.
Don't worry. If you do, I'll get it on video.
Okay. Hi.
Say hi. Say hi to you. Say hi to your friends.
As I almost busted my ass.
This is where. Is this where the Jeep was? Or the Jeep was right there, huh?
Oh, this is where Justin's truck
The Jeep was right there, right?
The Jeep was right here.
Okay.
This is where Justin's truck was.
I can tell by the holes that it left. Let's go take a look at this truck that was stuck last night. Ooh. This is the truck that they called for help. Ended up getting stuck too. Yeah, it's my you could just loop this end right over your ball. No, you should be good right where you're at. Hold up.
Oh, reach? Yep. Oh, okay. I gotta make it.
No.
Where's those things? Yeah, I have one.
They don't got that stretch back though, like the kinetics do. Start recording.
Get all the good air.
Right. If you do fall, don't break your fall.
Yeah, I know. Try not to get the camera dirty. Oh, dang. Here.
This is completely different from what I mean.
What do you want to record?
Hey, Johnny, can you hear me?
I feel like the truck is better.
Huh?
I feel like getting the truck.
Johnny, can you hear me? Yep. All right. We'll do 3, 2, 1, go.
Really? You need
Ready?
to be at an angle. You gotta
All
be
right,
over there.
3.
Cross that lane.
Back up. Create Tracy.
Couple. My charity events and stuff that I do.
Oh, that's cool.
Of course. Of course, you know it. You know it.